Welcome to EDC Ideas and welcome to my next video. Today we will talk about the Katocut Nowi Home and the Katocut Novi Pro high-end sharpening systems. This is the first part of a series. Today in our first video we will talk about the concept of the Novi Home Set and we will sharpen a standard kitchen knife. In the next videos we will talk about the concept in detail when it comes to the Novi Home and the Novi Pro. We will go through the different steps of a high quality sharpening process and we will talk about the differences between the Novi Home and the Novi Pro set. Let's talk about the pros and the mechanics and the idea behind the Katocut sharpening systems. First of all the Katocut systems are made in Austria. A huge advantage is you can use your own stones and the own base for your stones, depending on your needs and depending on the stuff you have already at home. So maybe you have red stones at home, maybe you have oil stones at home or diamond plates. You can also use the high-end Katocut whetstones. With this guided sharpening system, you get exactly the angle you want and you need. Another huge advantage is you can adjust the sharpening pressure. That's a great advantage, especially for sharpening beginners. The mechanics and the different parts work so perfectly together, it feels a little bit unnatural. The combination of made in Austria, a guided angle system, constant sharpening pressure and the high-end mechanics makes this tool a high-end sharpening tool for your kitchen. Let's come to the supplies you can get with the different sharpening systems. You can get different water stones. They are numbered so you always know the different steps, 1, 2, 3. And you can also get this block of hardwood. It's a block with two functions. First of all, you have a stropping leather and you see it here, it's already used. The black parts are removed metal and this block is also perfect to break the burr. And surely a high-end tool needs high-end oil. This is a maintenance oil for your sharpening system. It's important that you get no scratches on a high-quality knife and you get the perfect 3M tape for this task. And surely it's important that you always have a wet and perfect surface on your whetstones, and that's the reason for this supply. Let's start with the sharpening process and let's start with the first stone. These are the Katocut water stones. No bubbles are coming up. That means that we are ready to go. It's always important that you have the same number of strokes on each side. Always make sure that the surface is wet enough. And make sure that you clean your sharpening stones after every sharpening process. Don't forget to clean your knife after the coarse stone. You don't want the coarse particles on the next finer stone. Let's break the burr before we start with the next sharpening stone. Cleaning time before we go on the third stone. Let's go sharpening stone number 3. And by the way, I love the sound of the sharpening process. Be careful while you remove the tape. Your knife is already extremely sharp. Break the burr a last time And then it's time for stropping on the stropping leather. All the black stuff is removed metal. Let's remove the rest of the stropping compound. The stropping compound are the white parts here on the edge. Let's check the sharpening level. We have a razor sharp result. This is the box of the Katocut Novi Pro set. Stay tuned for more content.